Hello all. From the past few weeks, I am getting a lot of comments regarding the LIC examination. The various examinations that are going to be conducted by LIC. The LIC AO, LIC Assistant Engineer, and for various other specialist post, AO specialist. And lot of comments are being seen in the comment section, and I have said you that the information can only be shared if there is anything official from the LIC or anything like that. And after going through various videos and various other informations and some meaningful predictions, what I found is that, so before speaking all of that, I want to say please watch this video till the end. Then only you must comment your doubts or opinions, because in my previous videos regarding all other examinations and all, I can see that when I say something, students say it is not like that, it is like this. Actually, that is what I have said in the video. So you must watch the video till the end, then only comment your doubt. Also, if you are a new member, make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the bell icon. Also, if you like this video, please give this video a like. Okay. So this is a video message. It's an RTA reply regarding the LIC. RTA reply. So you have to think something. Some of the important information that we have seen from this reply is that the LIC, the expected vacancies, and some of the questions raised in this were the LIC expected vacancies and the expected exam dates. Then the information regarding LIC assistant engineer and AIO special post, for which already the applications were invited but were later postponed. So this was something serious to be considered. So what the RTA reply has been is that the only thing that can be said is that these information, that's what I have told, cannot be disclosed at the moment. Only they can be known after the this official notification only. So what you can infer from this? So the things that are going to take place in future, they say like that it depends, and they cannot expose the important things related with it. So I have people are asking, sir, what is the expected exam dates? So if you were a serious aspirant, you must have started the preparation from the January of this month itself. And now all the restrictions, lockdown, everything is getting removed. Hope you all know that. So there's a good chance that the all the notifications, pending notifications and the postponed examinations may be conducted. You can expect some good notifications, and the conducting the postponed examinations will be conducted. There is a chance that it will be conducted by September or October by that time. Okay. So some of the other important thing I have to say is that the AO generalist, ADO. So these posts and other vacancies, related vacancies, will be filled only after the empaneled list. Hope you're getting what I am saying. I can see a lot of comments in the comment section. That's why I have thought of spent one complete day in finding this important information. So these are very important information that I am speaking to you, and I have already told that the exact information on anything can only be known after the official notification. Lot of you, I know, lot of you are trying to get the information from RTI or from for various examinations, not only for LIC. You all are trying to get the information and prepare accordingly regarding the vacancies. If there are good vacancies, there is a good chance that you will prepare solely for those examination. And all I have to say is that you must never give up, because there is a good chance that the examinations will be conducted as soon as possible. So I have talked about various pending notifications of examinations, etc. Then if you have any other doubts regarding the LIC examination, the important notifications to be announced, or the other what some students are asking like the enhanced salary, the where will be the job location. If there are other doubts, you can comment in this comment section of this video, and I will make a video or will give individual reply. If there are a lot of people asking the same doubt, definitely I will go for a new video. So hope you have got the information regarding the LIC, AO, Generalist, AD, Assistant Engineer, all examinations and all. So the RTA reply is like that. Only the things that they cannot disclose these kinds of things like the number of vacancies and the other some of the other important criteria. Not criteria, just like some personal informations regarding the examination. If the RTM is providing information like that before the notification and all, maybe they will be thinking then what's the need of spending a special notification that time. Also, if they are giving any information now and the notification is going to be released after 4 or 5 months only, consider that there are going to be changes. There may be a big change because the filling up of vacancies, that is what the examination is conducted. And just consider an example. Okay, in January they seem like there are about 2000 vacancies for AO post. The exam notification is going to come on July. There's a good chance that the vacancies will be varying highly or will be decreasing, or something will happen by that time. That all depends upon the organization. Not only LIC I am talking about, any organization. So they won't disclose that kinds of thing. And for the examination, the expected date or the other notifications can be expected in the September-October time, considering if there are no lockdowns or strict restrictions by the government. So you must prepare well. The other important things related with the examinations like preparation strategy, syllabus, the salary structure, perks, benefits, etc. Then question paper workout, previous year question paper workout, discussions, everything will be updated on this channel. So make sure to subscribe to this channel and enable the bell icon. Enabling the bell icon is very important because you require notifications for examinations, because I will be updating the recent examinations, notifications, etc. So that's definitely going to benefit you. Hope you are clear with this. So if there is, in case any doubt is there, you can ask me. Also, one thing I have to say is that try to comment in English. Please don't comment in your regional languages. I can see comments in Bengali and several other regional languages. Please don't do that. Please comment only in English. Okay. So I am not saying like you must avoid your regional language or nothing like that, because a lot of people know English, especially if the regional languages will be known only to some particular places. So there may be people who know only Telugu. They may not know Hindi. So there may be people who know Hindi but don't know Telugu. So comment accordingly. Comment in English only. Please don't spend too much of time in your regional languages. So I can't help you. If you want to get help, try to comment in English, because I can see a lot of comments from various languages, including Kannada, Tamil, and all. Please, please don't do comment in English if you want to get your doubts clarified as a video or get a reply. Also, if you comment your doubt and if I am not seeing or I am not replying, there is a chance that you will get reply from other candidates who see your comments or will reply to you. So that's also you will be getting information. Since I cannot reply to all the comments, or lot of comments will be missing, I may not see that because a lot of comments are coming. So do that. Okay. Then I am giving my Instagram link on the description. You can follow me and you can chat with me your personal doubts, courses, how to prepare. Then regarding, if you want, you can make calls, video chat or anything like that. If I am free, I will definitely attend your call. So that's all. Thank you.